Hello students, are you afraid of the word trigonometry? Does it leave you confused? Then this video is for you. In this series we are going to study about the tips and tricks which will help you transform from the confused person to a confident person who can easily solve all the problems. Here in this video we are going to study about a number of problems which are peculiar. Not only that, we will also be sharing some tips and tricks. Watch this video till the end and become a confident person. So in this video we'll be discussing about the trigonometric identities, how to solve them and how to arrive at the correct solution. So we'll start with the tip number 1. You should remember the basic identities and the formulae. There are three identities: sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1, 1 plus tan square a equal to sec square a, and 1 plus cot square a is equal to cosec square a. And you should know the relation between the trigonometric ratios: tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta, sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. So you should remember these three identities and the trigonometric ratios, which will help you to solve the identities easily. Let us solve an identity here. The question says, prove that 1 plus sin A divided by cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by sin A is equal to cosec A plus sec A plus cosec A into sec A. So this identity has to be proved. So we'll take the left hand side first and simplify it, and finally show that the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So let us start with the left hand side. Left hand side, here you have two fractions, 1 plus sin A by cos A, and second fraction is 1 plus cos A by sin A. So you can simplify these two fractions by taking the LCM. So when you take the LCM, you get sin A cos A. Once you take the LCM, then you have to multiply sin A by the first numerator and cos A to the second numerator, and you get 1 plus sin A into sin A plus 1 plus cos A into cos A. Then open the brackets. Once you open the brackets, you have sin A into 1 is sin A plus sin A into sin A becomes sin square A. Here you have a plus sign, put a plus sign in between. Cos A into 1 is cos A plus cos A into cos A will be cos square A. The entire thing divided by sin A cos A. That will be equal to sin A plus cos A plus sin square A plus cos square A divided by sin A cos A. We have just rearranged the terms. We have brought sin A plus cos A here, and sin square A plus cos square A we have grouped together because we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So we get sin A plus cos A plus 1 divided by sin A cos A. Now what we have to do? We have to separate the three terms, and we'll get sin A upon sin A cos A plus cos A upon sin A cos A plus 1 upon sin A cos A. So when we separate the terms, we get 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus 1 upon sin A cos A. And now we know that 1 upon sin A is nothing but cosec A. 1 upon cos A is equal to sec A, and 1 upon sin A cos A is equal to cosec A into sec A, which is nothing but the right hand side. So we have proved the identity that left hand side is equal to right hand side. To view more such videos, follow my channel and subscribe.